Hey everybody, we're here to do a quick video. Brian is going to try the Starflyer. And we're going to see what it's like flying high in the sky. So, let's get over there and check it out. So Brian, what do you think about these statues?
I think they're pretty awesome.
It's kind of interesting that it's still like a traditional swing and not this, like these.
Yeah.
This guy fell.
I think it is kind of funny. It's morbid and dark, but it's still kind of funny.
These will look really nice when they're lit up.
Yeah. And I love how they're in motion too.
Yay!
These are really cool.
Oh, jeez.
I gotta take that from you. You can't have that on the ride.
He's not.
Can't have that on the ride. Can't have any kind of devices on the cameras or anything like that recording. We've had people dropping stuff. We can't have it.
I have a wristband.
I can't have it, man. Alright. You gotta take it off.
Well, here he goes.
Here's to insanity.
We were going to take you, but they already changed the policy.
Sorry, guys. I'll give you a detailed description when I get down, okay?
Here we are, end of the night, Halloween Horror Nights 20. Here's the parking garage. There's the, oh wait, no. There's the building of the globe over there.
Yeah. All right, so I just went on this. Goes up 450 feet in the air.
Well, the top of it is 450 feet.
Yeah, so I think we probably get up 400 and...
About 400 feet, or a little bit over 400 feet.
something like that. I don't know how fast it goes, but...
the top speed is 60 miles an hour, but they don't run it that fast.
All right, well, it was definitely very windy up there.
That was Brian's fault.
Sorry. So it wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought being up there and just kind of a seat going that fast with all that
security. No. All right, so after security shut us down, let's go ahead and try this again. So
I just went on this. This goes up about 400 feet in the air. Goes about 50 miles an hour. It is very windy up there.
We can make it what?
But you see a lot. I'm sure if you were here in the day, you would see the horizon. It's not as bad as I thought. I thought it would be pretty intense up there, being in a little seat, 400 feet in the air, going 50 miles an hour, but it's not that bad. If you are nervous about heights,
like that person.
yeah, you're definitely gonna feel it. But if you like roller coasters, if you don't mind heights, and if you like thrills, give this a ride. It's just a swing, so you're not zooping all around, but you're definitely up there, and you definitely feel the speed and feel the height.
It is the world's tallest spinning ride, I think, is how they described it.
Excuse me, why he just go back? This way people
But give it a try.
Yeah.